Today we're gonna make breaded cube fried steak, a recipe that brings me memories from when I was a child back in Puerto Rico, where my mom and my grandmother used to make this recipe. I will try to level with them, so let's see how this recipe turns out. We start by making cracker crumbs. Optionally, you can buy them at the store, but keep in mind that products that you get at the store will mostly be pre-seasoned, which will change the flavor of this recipe. You could also obtain the crumbs by using a mallet, a plastic bag, and tapping over the crackers like I'm doing here. We need to peel and crush 3 cloves of garlic. I will be crushing the garlic in a wooden mortar until achieving a consistency of a paste. Just like this. We need 2 pounds of cube steak for this recipe, but you can also buy regular steak and tenderize it at home with a mallet. We now season with 1 teaspoon of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of red wine vinegar, and the garlic we prepared. We now make sure to season all the meat very well. Add ground black pepper to taste, combine, and then set aside. We need 4 eggs for this recipe, egg whites and yolks separated. I'm only using 2 eggs in the video because I'm only frying half of the meat. Whisk the egg whites until obtaining a dense foam. Then whisk the egg yolks until they turn lighter in color. The step of separating the egg whites from the egg yolks is optional. You can also whisk them together, and if you don't have a machine, just do it by hand. Recombine the beaten egg whites and egg yolks and mix them together. Stop to add 1/4 teaspoon of granulated garlic and then mix to combine. To get the coating on our beef, we're gonna put it through the cracker crumbs first, then through the egg, and then again through the cracker crumbs, and that should be it. With the oil at temperature, we are ready to start frying, and we will fry each piece for about 2 to 4 minutes per side, and this will be determined by the thickness of the meat. I was trying to live up to the expectation of cooking something similar to what my mom and my grandmother used to cook at home, and I have to tell you that I hit the ball. It came out absolutely amazing. I hope you guys can make this recipe and let us know how it turned out for you. Until the next one. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, you can do it now by using the button below the screen and hitting on the bell icon so that you get notifications every time that we upload a new video. Also, please leave your comments in the section down below. You can visit us on our webpage, buenprovechotelevision.com, where you will find most of our written recipes, as well as on Facebook, where you can post the pictures of whatever recipes that you have made. We remind you that we have a Teespring store where you can find t-shirts and other merchandise about the channel. We always ask you to share the videos with your friends and family so that you help us grow the channel and keep our presence in YouTube. Like always, I'll be seeing you on the next one.